Long ago, during Queen Victoria's time, Britain began to change in ways people had never seen before. This exciting and challenging time was called the Industrial Revolution. It was a time when machines started doing work that people once did by hand. These machines helped make things faster, but they also changed everyday life in big ways. Before the Industrial Revolution, most people lived in small, quiet villages. Families worked together on farms, growing their own food and making things like clothes and tools with their hands. Life moved at a slower, more peaceful pace. But then, new ideas and inventions started to appear. Clever inventors created amazing machines that could spin cotton, weave cloth, and build all sorts of goods much, much faster than a person ever could. To house these powerful new machines, large buildings called factories were built. Soon, people began moving from the countryside and villages into growing towns and cities to find work in these new factories. Cities grew incredibly quickly, almost overnight. New houses were built very close together, and the streets became crowded and busy with people, horse-drawn carts, and a constant hum of noise. The air even started to smell different with the scent of coal and industry. As tall factory chimneys sent plumes of smoke billowing into the sky. For many, life felt faster and louder than it had ever been before. Inside the factories, many adults worked long hours. The work was often hard and repetitive, but families needed the money they earned to buy food, clothes, and a place to live. Children's lives were changing too. Some children had to help their families by working, sometimes in the factories or in other jobs. At the same time, more and more people started to believe that education was very important for a child's future. Schools began to open, and other children had the chance to go and learn important skills like reading, writing, and arithmetic. One of the most exciting and visible changes during this time was in transport. The invention of the steam engine was a game changer. This powerful engine could drive huge machines and, most famously, trains. New railway tracks were laid all across the country, connecting towns and cities like never before. Goods, raw materials, and people could now travel across Britain much, much faster. A journey that might have once taken several long days by horse and cart could now be completed in just a matter of hours by train. It felt like the world was shrinking. The Industrial Revolution brought so many new inventions and ideas. Machines helped people work faster, and factories produced more goods than ever before, making things more available to everyone. Britain became a very powerful country, known all over the world for its industry and trade. But it's important to remember that life was not always easy. The new cities were often crowded, and the factory work could be very tiring and sometimes dangerous. Over time, people recognized these problems and worked together to make life better and safer for everyone, especially for workers and for children. Queen Victoria reigned over Britain during this incredible period of great change. She watched as her country grew and transformed, and she supported the values that became so important during that era: hard work, learning, and family. The Industrial Revolution completely changed how people lived, how they worked, and how they learned. The effects of this amazing time helped to shape the modern world that we all live in today. And that is the story of Britain during the Industrial Revolution, a time of machines, movement, and monumental changes. Thank you for watching, Little Historians. Join us next time as we explore some of the most amazing Victorian inventions that truly changed the world. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and keep learning with us.